Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why does Canada want more immigrants answered. Stay with me for clear, simple answers and practical takeaways. Canada seeks immigrants to fill jobs, grow the economy, and support an aging population in a friendly, welcoming way. I will break down economic needs, demographic trends, and community benefits, and outline how immigration policies align with labor demand, innovation, and long-term national stability. Let me explain how immigration supports Canada's economy in clear terms you can use. Immigrants fill critical roles where labor supply is limited, and they support small towns and big cities alike. They contribute taxes that sustain services and often start businesses that hire more people. I'll explain how targeted programs attract needed skills and how economic planning balances short-term needs versus long-term population health and prosperity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for busy days and long commutes. They make life simpler for newcomers juggling work and family. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Immigration plays a key role in maintaining vibrant communities and public services across Canada. By balancing low birth rates, newcomers help keep schools open and neighborhoods thriving. Cultural diversity enhances creativity, education, and local business activity, making towns more resilient. I will walk through how demographic shifts influence policy, why integration programs matter, and what communities gain when newcomers stay, work, and invest in their new homes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.